organizing the pantry, and it's gonna be more entertaining than the home edit. So Lionsgate, Netflix, Hulu, hit us up.
Stay tuned.
This is how I function. Reed told me what to buy and I just throw it all in here with zero organization. Step one, we're gonna clear everything out of the pantry. Go.
We have a pantry. I've never had a pantry in my entire life. I don't know what it's like. I don't know how to organize it. So we got Reed here. He's gonna do the good Lord's work of making it look really nice while it's nice and organized. So, you know, we know where the good foods are, the bad foods, where everything is.
It's gonna help us eat healthier.
Exactly. I never had a pantry personally, so.
Oh, I haven't had a walk-in pantry in a really long time, maybe ever.
Yeah, so it's kind of like a lifestyle change, and then with that lifestyle change, could become a hoarding environment, which is the current situation right now. So in this video, we're gonna transform this from hoarding to a nice, efficient, what do you call this again? Pantry.
Okay, Zach just got the intro.
Zach actually just killed it with that intro. Hi, let's get started now.
All right, let's get started. Thank you, Zach, for our intro. When people ask us the favorite part of our house, we say the pantry. And the pool, but the pantry is a perk. And the trash cans that slide out that are hidden. Okay. And the new guest room. Okay, we have a lot of favorite parts. Great. Here are some things we got to organize the pantry. First, this is not organizational, but we're gonna do this like black and white checkered tiling on the floors.
We got some aesthetic spice jars.
Aesthetic spice jars.
Ooh.
Sexy. We got these from Home Goods in like all different shapes and sizes. They've got like a marble top, which is cute. Some little baskets from IKEA. These crates. We actually got 4 from, or not 4, like 6 or 7 from Urban Outfitters, and then of course I found them on Amazon for a lot cheaper, but it's fine.
Vibes.
Vibes. It comes with little Best Buy stickers. It's genius. Why is this so freaking cute to me? I also would like to know, it has all these labels and it even has everything but the bagel somewhere. It even has juniper berries. How cute! Oh my god. I am obsessed. We just have to cut these to fit, which we're gonna do right now. Do not use them in a bathroom or any room that gets water in it. Just trust me, water gets under them and it's a mess. But in a pantry, they're gonna be perfect. And we're just not gonna rip out the floors, because if you're doing a house and it has brand new floors, it's like a bad investment to rip out the floors. So this is our solution. Look how freaking cute. I'm dead. Dead, dead, dead. This is a fun mess that we're dealing with, but it's about to look bomb in here. Oh my god, look at that. It's so cute. Oh, and the little dum-dums, cute. Oh, we could do a cream savers jar.
Yes.
Here's the big pantry reveal. Love you. Pantries by Reed. I feel like I didn't give you guys a proper pantry tour, so I'm gonna do that right now. And then we're gonna wrap up the pantry vlog. I'm just gonna show you guys like what Reed did in here. Reed did 99% of the work, and I helped. For full effect, we're gonna open the door. This is our light switch. This is the pantry as a whole. So we swapped out, well, we didn't swap out the flooring. We added this like, it's this checkered tile flooring. You can get it on Amazon. Down here, we've got our picnic basket. This is storage, like Swiffers, extra sponges, Ziploc bags, dog food. I need to get a better dog food container. Also, Reed said you're not supposed to put your dog food in a plastic container, which makes total sense. So we're changing that. We've got Zach and I's vitamins and prescriptions, some avocados, the wine that we have left over from the wedding that we still haven't drank, some honey, some candy, our little cereal dispenser. I'm obsessed with this thing. I got it on Amazon. let's get a closer look. It's amazing. Finding aesthetic cereal that's gluten-free is a challenge. I think this one's like Nature's Path or something. So as you see here, there is a hole in the wall. There's actually another one hidden back there, but that you can also set up a washer dryer in here. We're not going to, so we need to figure out like disguising this hole. We don't want to cover it up because when we sell this house one day, that needs to be, you know, able to access so people can have their washer dryer in the house. I don't know what we should put here. If you have any ideas, feel free to let me know. Like, the only thing that would really cover it and be symmetrical is a tall mirror, which is kind of weird in the pantry, but I might try it. Here we've got these little baskets. So these little ones all came from Urban Outfitters, and we've just got like snacks, powders, popcorn. We're low on groceries right now. Seaweed, some more snacks. And then I got these on Amazon. They came with the labels, as you saw. They're genius. They're so cute. I love them. Up here, we got all these from Home Goods, just for some of our like dry foods, and this light strip Reed put in. It's really cool. And then we've got these bigger crates. I actually found these on Amazon, and it's got like cans and baking and all that kind of stuff. And then some cookbooks way up there, and we can store some stuff up there, which we probably will. So right now the main things are cover that. I kind of like the mirrored cube. I think the mirrored cube should stay, but we also might do like some floating shelves or something of that sort. I don't know. But for now, it looks freaking perfect and amazing. I wouldn't change a thing. I'm absolutely obsessed with it, except for the hole in the wall.